this project, we need to take a quick trip to my local restore. I don't know if you have one of these. It's my It's my Habitat for Humanity store. So it's a fun local thrift store. And what did I find? Oh my gosh, right when I walked in, it said cabinet doors, $2. So I was super excited, but a little overwhelmed because there were so many choices. Look at all of these cabinet doors. I mean, who knew? What a fun, a million choices for projects. This one I pulled out because I wanted to show you for this project. We're going to make a tray, and you're not going to want one with those little clamps on it. That would be a major problem for your tray and a little bit difficult to take off and fill in the holes and all the things. No, I was really looking for something a little more ready-made, and I stumbled upon these. These were perfect. Look at that. Perfect for a tray. So then I thought, well, I need a handle. The tray needs handles. So over here at the Restore, I found these cabinet pulls and drawer handles for $1, and some of them were 50 cents. And so I was on a mission to find two that matched, and that was going to be proved to be a little bit difficult. So I found these brass ones that had a lot of options, and they matched, and I really liked it. But then I started thinking about the color that I was going to use to stain my tray, and I decided that I don't know, I don't think that the brass is going to look so hot. Then I saw these brushed silver ones, and I thought, well, those are pretty and really modern looking. And then I saw these vintage ones, and I thought, ooh, I loved that kind of antique-y look. And these had like a little bit of porcelain in the middle. Really, really pretty. I actually really, really like those. Kind of think I'm wishing I should have got those. But anyway, no. Then there were these cup handles, totally unrelated. That would make really cute tray handles. Oh, wait, it's stuck. Really cute tray handles for another project, but not really this one. And then lo and behold, boom, there's our handles for the tray. So for this tray, you're going to need a cabinet door, and this stain from Watco is a butcher block oil stain. It is amazing. So look at all of these little watermarks. We're going to get rid of those because you're going to sand this piece. So I took my orbital sander. You're going to use a 180 to 220 grit to start with, and it's going to get all of that dirty layer off your cabinet door, as well as these water stains. So you can see as you enjoy watching the sanding, the water stains disappear before your very eyes. Look at them disappear. Absolutely love that. So I ended up flipping it over and using the other side for the tray, but this is me pretending to show you how to wipe off the sawdust. I'd already wiped it off, but yeah, you need to wipe it off. Then you're going to take a clean rag, or you can use one of these cotton pads, and just easily wipe on this Watco Butcher Block oil and stain. Look at how beautiful it shows up in the wood. I absolutely love this. You're going to do a couple of steps here. The first one is to add this layer of stain. Now you're going to see me struggling a little bit because I ended up putting it on this plant stand instead of doing, putting it somewhere better. So I'm kind of actually holding myself up with the cabinet door here. It's not pretty, but it's getting the job done. So you're just going to want to get it in all of the cracks, as you can see there. And it spreads really nicely, really easily. This is still your first coat. And oh, I had to take a break. Almost broke my back standing over this thing. And then we are going back in with some more stain. I'm showing you I'm using a clean part of the pad to wipe back the stain. So once you stroke a little bit of the stain on, you're going to wipe it back a little bit. You're going to want to get all of the sides of your cabinet door. And this is just showing where I'm getting all the sides into the grooves, and then wiping it back. And I used I stained both sides of the cabinet door because I wasn't sure, you know, which side I was going to ultimately use for the project. But here we are, staining the other side. I'm going to take this quick commercial break to let you know you're watching Southern Crush at Home. And if you're enjoying this video, I would super love it if you would hit that subscribe button as well as the notification bell so I can let you know every single time one of these videos comes out. All right, so that was our commercial break. We are back and we are in business. So I am just getting the stain on the other side of this cabinet door and getting into all the nooks and crannies, and I'll kind of show you a little bit of close-up on that. So your second step after this is, this has dried for several hours, you're going to go back and you're going to sand it again with a much finer grit of sandpaper, like a 400. And then repeat this exact process where you go in and you add a little bit of stain and then you wipe it back. So this is me just getting it all in the cracks of this cabinet door. When you go with something with a little bit of grooves, you're going to want to make sure to get in all of those grooves. Everywhere that you put the stain, you're going to see color. So, and I absolutely love this ebony color that I chose. It comes in two colors, walnut and ebony, but I love, love, love this ebony color. Now this is just a little quick tip here. If you're going to add handles and you're not sure where to put them on the tray, you can mark them with a piece of painter's tape and a Sharpie. Just kind of showing you how I put that piece of tape with the Sharpie and put the dots, put it back on your tray where you want it, and then drill the holes. Add your handles. I ended up adding 2 handles. I hope you love it. This is the way the tray looks on my Ottoman, completely dried. It turned out so much better than I ever dreamed of. I'm loving the way that it looks. I just added a couple of faux tulips on here just for you guys to think it looked extra cute, extra special. And I hope you absolutely love it. If you love videos like this, be sure to let me know in the comments below. And let me know if you will try this. I promise you it is the easiest DIY you'll ever do for $2. All right. Thank you so much, you guys. I'll see you on the next video.